Welcome back to my Pokemon card hunt video, and for this episode, we are in Tendo City, Japan. We are specifically in Aeon Town, which is the biggest Aeon mall in Tohoku region.
Wow!
Surprisingly, there are no Pokemon cards in pack or in tin available. But I saw this mystery Pokemon cards vending machine. For 300 yen per game, I will surely get a couple. I really hope I get a cool Charizard. This place is so big, so let's hunt for more Pokemon. Ooh, there's another one. Well, this is for 500 yen, so let's just try to get one.
Wow!
This is a mystery Pokemon card capsule game, so I'm really hoping to get a rare card. So got 3 cards in total, let's head to the next store. And I found another mystery Pokemon card machine. For this game, there is a capsule and a paper inside. This is also for 300 yen, so I tried twice. This is everything we catch for today's hunt. See you next time!